again, I'm having trouble talking today, so I'm just going to start demonstrating up here what the denominators are and what you need to be doing. Who knows the common denominator for the next one?
12.
It's not 12. Take a second. It seems difficult, but it's not. Put a 2 and a 6. Does 2 go into 6? Then that's it.
I thought you had a comma.
Who thinks they know what it is for this one?
20 or 10.
Again, please don't just multiply them. Does 2 go into 10?
Yeah.
Yes, it is 10. What is it for this one?
15.
It is 15.
Same thing for the next one. We go into 12.
4 goes into 12. It is 12. This one, I don't know. So I do know, but it's okay. I'm going to put these two here. 6 doesn't go into 10. Start finding multiples. 20 doesn't go in. 30, yes. And then I'm going to help you get started on the next row.
Wait, what was number N?
30. All right. Does 3 go into 6?
Yes.
What's the common denominator?
6.
6. Does 2 go into 8?
Yeah.
Then it is 8. Right.
What number?
Does 3 go into 4?
No.
No. So I better make a little chart. So it doesn't go in, so make a multiple. It doesn't go in. Add another 4. Does 3 go into 12?
Yes.
That's going to be your new number. Oh, this should be easy.
The next one is the same thing.
The next one is the same thing, so you don't have to do anything. It is 16. Then, does 6 go into 9?
Yes.
Does 6 go into 9 perfectly? No. So then go over to the side. It doesn't go in, so add another multiple of 9, which is 18.
Yes.
And 6 does go into 18. Who thinks they know what the common denominator is for this one?
15. No.
Does 4 go into 15? 20.
I was thinking of 4 times 5 times 3.
But where do you get the 3 from, sweetie?
I don't know. I was thinking that the 4 was
It doesn't go in 5, 10, 4 doesn't go in 15, 4 doesn't go in 20. Okay. All right, let's stay focused. All right, so again, I'm going to help you again start this bottom row. So, and then you're going to have one completely on your own to do. What do I multiply that 3 times to get, girls? I need you to focus. Who sits right here is? Okay. I need you to stay focused, ma'am. All right. So 3 times what is going to give you 24? Is 8. If I do it on the bottom, I have to do it on the top. 8 times what is going to give you 24? 3. 3. And we'll come back and multiply those in a second. Let's just get what we're multiplying by. 2 times what is going to give you 6? 3. If I do it on the bottom, I have to do it on the top. Gianni, I need you to get this down. You have every single thing that I've written down. Okay. On this one isn't going to change, so I don't have to change the numerator. On this one, 10 doesn't change, so I don't have to change that 3. But here, 2 times what is going to give you 10? 5. And if I do it on the bottom, I have to do it on the top. Again, we'll multiply across in just a second. So on this one, do I have to multiply it by anything? No, just 1, but I don't need to put a 1. So that's going to stay the same. 3 times what is going to give you 15? 5 and 5. On this one, 4 times what is going to give you 12? Is 3. If I do it on the bottom, I do it on the top. And this 12 didn't change, so the 7 doesn't change. Then, on this one, 5 times what gives you 30? I'm sorry, 6 times what gives you 30? Times 5 and 5. And then we'll go backwards in a second and multiply. 10 times what gives you 30? 3 and 3. And again, there's no mental math. I need to see exactly what you're multiplying by. So now we're going to start here and go backwards and get all our new numbers. So 5 times 5 is 25. 6 times 5 is 30. 3 times 3 is 9. And we'll come back and add in just a second. So this one, 3 times 3 is 9. And we've already got this one here. This one was 4 15ths. This one was 3 times 5 was 15. 1 times 5 is 5. This next one is 2 times 5 is 10. 1 times 5 is 5. On this next one, that's the same thing. And here, 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Then, on this one, 1 times 3 is 3. 8 times 3 is 24. 2 times 8 is what?
16.
Is 16. Okay, and then we're going to start
Does
from...
it have to be in a simplest form?
Yes, or you won't find the answer. So let's go ahead and start here. So my basket size now is 24, and I'm going to put it over here in case I need to reduce. All right, so there's 3 pieces that I made this week. I made 16 more pieces. How many are there altogether?
19.
19. And 19 is prime. It can't be reduced. So that is your answer. Find your answer. And these are kind of messed up, but you'll be able to tell what the answer is. So that gets the letter C. It's right here. Then this one.
Wait, are we multiplying? Yeah.
Are we what?
No, we're adding. Oh.
All right. So this one, it's 6. How many 6 do I have altogether?
Sorry, what was the question?
How many 6? I made 3 cookies this week. I made 1 more.
4.
How many do I have altogether?
4.
Okay.
4.
Okay, Johnny, do you know how many we have?
No.
Okay. 3 cookies this week. And then I made 1 more. How many do you have altogether? 4.
Oh.
Okay. Then, now can this though be reduced? Can I make this skinnier? By dividing it by what number?
2.
By 2. And if I'm using 2, you just cut both the numbers in half. Half of 4 is 2. Half of 6 is 3. And we need to stop with the little squealing. Okay, 2 over 3, and I can't tell where that is. It's right here. All right. It's what's that?
Why are all the numbers wrong?
I don't know. They're messed up. It came out with the printing. Anyway, let's go to this one. How many, Johnny? How many tenths do I have altogether?
2.
Okay.
8.
We're adding. 3 and 5 is 8. Can this one be reduced by 2?
Yes.
So you just cut them both in half. What's the final answer?
4 over 5.
4 over 5. And it's way down at the end, and it gets the letter E. And then, Kylie, how many 15ths do we have altogether?
9.
9 of them. Very good. 9 over 15. And then, I know that 3 goes into 9. Does 3 also go into 15? So this time, go ahead and show what you're dividing by. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. And that is somewhere.
It's next to the 3 over the 5 over 5.
It's this one right here. So it's going to be L.
3 over 5.
Right. Right. Then let's go to the M. And this is a special one. So this one, when I add it, Haley, what do I get when I add 9 and 7?
16.
Okay, let somebody else answer, please.
16.
16.
No.
All right. Sam. All right. Then this basket, this is an egg carton with 12, but there's 16 eggs. It's overflowing. So what? We can make a hole. We can make one hole, one carton of eggs, and how many eggs are going to be left over?
4 over 5.
4. Very good. And then can that be slimmed down?
Yes.
I think, well, you first ask yourself, does 4 go into 12?
Yes.
Yes, so we can actually divide it by a bigger number, by 4. So it's 1. 4 divided by 4 is 1.
1 over 3.
12 divided by 4 is 3. And it is right there. So that gets the letter M. Okay. What's that? Okay, go ahead and set it. All right, and then let's look at this one. We're adding, Jesse, we're adding 25 and 9. If that, by the way, to add by 9, real quickly, I can say 10. 25 and 10 is 35, but I've got 1 less, so it'd be 34. So it's 34 over 30. Well, my box size is 30. Can I fill at least 1 box?
Yes.
Yes, I can fill 1 box, and I put the leftovers in a size 30 box. How many are left over?
4.
4. And can that 4 doesn't go into 30 perfectly, but they're both even numbers, so we can reduce it by what?
2.
By 2, which in other words is just cutting it in half. Okay, and then that is this one. All right, so girls and boys, you've got all the common denominators for the second row. You are going to finish the rest.
All of it?
All of it.